Hey guys, I don't know if you're able to see the water taxis behind me, but that would be my mode of transportation tomorrow to Port of Spain. I'm currently in San Fernando and I'm going to meet a friend of mine who I've met on the No India program. I can't wait, so let's all go on the adventure together. What's up guys, today I'm in the beautiful island of Trinidad and Tobago and I'm doing some exploring with my friend Vish, who you guys know from the No India program. What's up?
Hey y'all.
Awesome. And he's gonna take me to see a nice waterfall here in Trinidad. It's called Maracas Waterfalls.
Yeah.
I know about Maracas Beach. I've never heard about Maracas Waterfalls, but today we're going to go on a little hike to get there and it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's actually one of the tallest waterfalls we have in Trinidad. I think it's about it's over 300 feet, so it's pretty
That's
tall.
crazy. Yeah.
So,
and it's right here. It's easily accessible, I would say.
Yeah.
Compared to Kite Falls that we gotta take a plane, so I'm very excited that I could hike and get there. So there's more to come. See you. All right, so here we have Vish leading us as we make our way to Maracas Waterfall. And if you look around, we're surrounded by lush greenery. The vegetation is just magnificent to behold. It reminds me a little bit of the rainforest in Guyana. Here it's very hilly, mountainous, and we are making our way. It's raining, so it adds another level to the challenge.
I guess you could see part of the waterfall there.
Oh, I don't know if you could see it through my camera, but we could actually see a little bit of the waterfall from this distance. I can see the gleaming water flowing down from the fall. Yes, a beautiful sight to behold. Let me stop and see if I could capture it better for you. Awesome. Yeah, so like I said, it's raining, it's a bit muddy, but it adds to the thrill, it adds to the adventure, and we're still having an awesome time. Our friends have left the park. They're way up ahead, and we're gonna catch up with them. Alright guys, so it's getting rockier and I'm making my way up, trying my best to not slip or fall. Yeah. It's harder to do when you're vlogging. Hello. So we just met some friends from Jamaica and I'm keep going. Sorry guys. I am playing catch up as we go. Huh? So I'm not that behind. Alright, so it just rained, so it's a bit muddy, but it makes it all more adventurous. I just hope I don't slide or slip, but so far, so good. And I'm already seeing a little stream.
Yeah. That's it.
Right here. Tell us what they say, Vish.
They say if you wash your face with this water,
yeah,
it's get 10 times sexier. So they tell me.
Oh, so I need to do it like 50 times.
Alright, so
1, 2, 3, 4.
I think they need more water.
5.
Alright. Are sexier enough?
Alright, let the people judge. Put it in the comments. This is so good.
But you could drink it yourself.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's cool and cold. Both.
It's fresh water.
Very refreshing. So Vish, how often you come here?
Usually I don't really come that often because I go to a ton of different hikes in Trinidad.
Wow.
But I've been here as, I use it as like an introduction to people who know start to hike because it's like easy hike. People enjoy it a lot.
Yeah.
And the waterfall itself is magnificent. So, but I like deep waterfall where it has like big pools of water where you can go jumping and stuff.
Yes.
That's my fun. That's my adventure.
Nice. You're a man of adventure.
I try to be. I try to be.
Well, you only have one life to live. Might as well.
I have two.
You have two?
Unlike everybody else, I have two.
So which life are you on now? The first or second?
The third one.
You're on the third one and you have two. But it's just beautiful here. We're not even at the waterfall as yet, and I'm already enjoying the scenery. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, so Albert going to take us to take a dip in the pool. There we go.
Alright, let's go. Going up for it.
Now,
So Albert, tell me how is the water?
It's cold. It's really cold, but it's refreshing. I can't believe I did it. I didn't bring a change of clothing, but it's okay. It's all part of the fun, and I would do it again. So the next time you're in Trinidad and Tobago, come and check out the Maracas Waterfall. We finally made it to Maracas Waterfalls. It's very beautiful, very majestic in the background, and the cool thing about this waterfalls is that we could actually go inside and take a swim. We could take a dip. So I'm looking forward to that. Thank you for liking the video. Do subscribe and comment. Until next time. Peace.
Okay guys, so Albert just did the waterfall hike. This is the waterfall aspect of it. Now we go into the swimming aspect of it. Hello. Guys, so Albert walking on the hike, and Albert is like a real famous vlogger in Trinidad now. Everybody want to like, subscribe, comment on his YouTube channel. Everybody asking, Albert, what's the name of your YouTube channel? I thought that girl now scream out Albert name there and ask his autograph and all kind of thing. So you know I'm famous. Taking a full day for the vlog, guys. Yeah. Careful here, brother. You're falling and sit there. Albert, so what do you think?
So we're in, I want to say, the jungles of Trinidad, because it's giving that kind of vibe, and it's really tranquil, it's calm, it's beautiful. As you can see, the pools are out here. It takes some navigation, of course, because sometimes the rocks can be slippery. It just rained, but nevertheless we're outside and we're having an amazing time. And the good thing about this is, like, it's a hideaway spot, so it's not that well known, not so many tourists here, so we can have this entire place for ourselves, and that is awesome.
So that today we actually going to see one of the rarest animals in the country.
It's called a wild belly lap. I can look that way.
Wow!
Very rare sight. Very rare sight. It crawls on all fours and it walks on 2 feet.
That's funny.
When it feels it's in danger, it just turns over and laughs. We don't know why.
At gobs.
It's called a belly lap. Did you call it?
So after all our hiking, we finally made it into a pool of water. Where I'm standing is pretty much shallow compared to higher up. There's actually a rope there. As you can see, my friend is attempting to use the rope to get up further at the top. I don't have experience in doing that, so I'm not going to attempt doing that right now, but it looks like a hell lot of fun. I'm sure you can see it right there. He is navigating and using the rope quite expertly, if you ask me. But this is such a beautiful spot here in Trinidad and Tobago, and I'm with some friends, including Sasha. Say hi. Yeah. It's amazing, and I'm really happy to be here. Thankfully, the sun is now out, so it's a much more relaxing and less difficult experience. But it's generally fun, and I'm having the best time ever.
So guys, Albert just went swimming in that pool behind him. It's about 100 feet deep. How do you feel, Albert?
Listen, I can't believe I did it. It's amazing that I actually went that far. Unfortunately, we couldn't take the camera with us because we don't want it to get wet, and you know what happens. But it was amazing, totally worth every second. I enjoyed all of it.
Look where Albert went up. He went up in between right here. There's some rocks.
Run out.
Guys, we just wrap up the day. I hope you had a real good day.
I had an amazing day. I think this, well, I know this was my highlight. This was the highlight of my trip here in Trinidad this Christmas season. Thanks to you, Vishnu. We had an amazing day. We were out in Port of Spain. We went to Maracas Waterfalls. We did some hiking. We did some fishing. It was the best day ever. And you know what that means? You gotta come to visit us in Guyana. You have to. So I hope I see you in Guyana very soon.
When these Guyanese people, the snow, it is curry chicken instead of chicken curry.
It's chicken curry. It's chicken curry. Alright, we'll settle that debate in Guyana. So I'll see you. But thank you so much for everything. No we come a long way from India, from Delhi, India, to Goa, India, to Trinidad. The best is yet to come.
To Trinidad, India.
Yes. Alright, peace. Guys. Take care.